And action.
Good morning.
Good morning. So today is one of the most special days in Southeast Asia. We're going to see Lan Ha Bay, Ha Long Bay, more known as that's what people do from Ba Island.
From Ba Island, yeah. So Ba Island is in Lan Ha Bay, and obviously Ha Long Bay is quite famous for the limestone rocks, cliffs, islands, what you want to call them. And Lan Ha Bay is very similar, just less well known for some reason, but
less busy.
Less busy, yeah. So what we're going to do now is we're going to head to go to the port and get the boat.
And we will take you all the way with us. We are so excited.
Yeah, really excited.
This is a highlight of Southeast Asia for us.
Yeah, one of the highlights, definitely. So follow us. We'll go have a look at the bay and see how amazing it is.
Getting on our boat. Wave, Dan.
Oh, we're downstairs first.
Okay, so we started the boat tour and we just left the docks. Straight on the boat, straight off, and literally straight into this village.
It's so nice, yeah?
This is a fishing village. 300 floating houses.
And 1,000 people.
1,000 people. Okay, so out we head.
Go. Monkey Island, which is closed, but they don't know why.
Why is the water
Hello.
low here? Why not?
Are you enjoying your boat trip?
Yeah, I'm just looking
Just
at
we have a train.
It's quite relaxing, isn't it?
Quite nice.
We are quite unlucky with the Monkey Island.
Well, the Monkey Island?
Yeah.
Yeah, closed.
Yeah.
Yeah. He doesn't know why it's closed, but it's closed.
But no, we're quite unlucky because that's the second Monkey Island which we're not benefiting from.
Yes, yeah. The one in Peru as well.
Very close.
No monkeys.
Yeah. Hope I don't lose the mic. So at the moment we are in Lan Ha Bay. Lan Ha Bay. And then we're gonna touch Ha Long Bay. I think most of tourists does that. Oh, you got a little beach. So Ha Long Bay we've got nearly 2,000 of those.
And another beach. So many little hidden beaches. Most Vietnamese people can't swim.
Yeah.
Oh really?
Weird, yeah?
That's what our guide told us. Oh wow. The sun will come out in the afternoon, hopefully. Kasha, which is your favourite rock?
My diamond.
Which one?
My engagement ring.
That's tiny.
I know, whose fault is this?
She's never happy. Never happy. 139 beaches in Lan Ha Bay. A lot of the beaches did look very, very small though.
Yeah.
You can just hear the birds. See if they say hello. Hello.
Yeah, say again, louder.
Okay, so we're gonna go see big fish. Don't know if it's one big fish or lots of big fish. It's taking apart the
Floor.
It's gonna get pulled in a second by some sort of beast. Oh yes. Oh, massive. Oh wow.
Kan je die?
Oh, grouper. What fish is this? Grouper maybe.
The boss here, they keep this fish like they think about like the fish that can bring so many money for him. I think the grouper fish very common in the world. Yeah, a lot of in America.
We should get a tank of it.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, so we had our stop to see the big fish. You impressed?
Pointless stop.
Just waste a bit of time to see a big fish. We are waiting for another couple though, so maybe that's why.
Oh yeah, maybe yeah.
So these people live here, work here. The whole life is here.
This is beautiful. Like on my video, it's gonna look so nice.
Yeah. See the fire?
Oh yeah. But they do that a lot.
This is for the night crew.
Hanoi, outside of Hanoi, they do snake.
We are about to have lunch now. They've anchored up, as you can see. And I'll quickly show you the meal that we're going to have. So we're just stopping for a bit and then we're going to go into some beaches and swimming and stuff. So let's chill out up here. So we're heading off again. We're just moving. We just had a nice lunch. Some seafood. Spring rolls, rice, omelette, something else. And it was nice anyway. Let's carry on around Lan Ha Bay. Scene is so incredible. Sad reality is it's quite dirty in some parts, as you can see here. It's like another world here. So in between here and those rocks over there is the border between Lan Ha Bay and Ha Bay. So you see all those rocks in the distance, that's Ha Bay. Up and we're going to go swimming. We're going to go to the beach. We're going to jump in.
Did I do it? Yeah, perfect. Start that one.
Yeah?
what is going on here. What are you doing? She's refusing to touch the floor. So she's hanging on to me and I'm pulling her along. Because she saw a spider, so now she refuses. Back at the boat. We just finished the swim.
Yeah, that was fun.
It was good.
Yeah, I'm
enjoyed it?
impressed how far we swam.
Yeah, it was tiring. Then we jumped off the boat a couple of times. Went through the cave.
Yeah, I did
Eventually
a backflip.
Kasia went through. You did a backflip. I got you on camera what you did.
Backflip.
Okay, backflip. Sure.
My eyes, that was...
If I watch the footage back and I see a backflip, then I'll apologise.
Yeah, if you watch it backwards, it's going to be a backflip.
There was no flipping involved, front or backflip.
Like,
Doesn't matter which way I watch it. What was that?
salmon, yeah, that was a salmon.
So we're gonna go, I think the boat's gonna head back now. So we'll head back. Let's do it.
Okay. So this is it for today.
Yeah, so we got back off the boat. The bus brought us back to the Ba Lan Ha town.
Yeah, it
And
was
just come back to
really,
the hotel.
really nice. I think worth the
Amazing.
money.
Yeah, I
Beautiful
mean,
views.
it's incredible views. The
If you-
tour doesn't
yeah.
take you to Ha Long Bay.
No.
It takes you to Lan Ha Bay, and you can see Ha Long Bay like in the distance. So you can't do day tours from Cat Bar to Ha Long Bay. That's just a fact. They stop them now.
Yeah.
So if you want to come to Cat Bar and do Ha Long Bay, you have to do an overnight cruise,
Yeah.
or just go to Ha Long Bay and do one from there. But Ha Long Bay is not supposed to be that nice itself.
Yeah, as a town, yeah.
Yeah.
I think if you've got extra money, the night cruise would be lovely.
Yeah, I think so. I think the 2 day, 1 night.
Yeah, spend a little bit more and do the cruise.
Yeah, I saw
Yeah.
one of the boats as we passed
looked
it, and it looked so
amazing.
good.
Yeah.
It looked really nice, really nice. But yeah, the views absolutely incredible. The limestone rocks were insane, and yeah, we loved it. We loved going for a swim. It was all really good. So
Really
and
good.
not crazy expensive as well.
Food was nice as well.
Oh yeah, the lunch they gave us was really good.
Really
so really happy with that. So yeah, we'll catch you on our next vlog.
See you then.
See you then. Bye.